I wanted to explain the portable sauna that everybody is getting. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is what it comes with. It comes with a steamer, right? I got water inside of it. I had mine for a good while now. You put it in and you twist it to lock. The hose goes right on here, on top of the sauna. Okay, then you have this extra piece that's going to catch the extra steam, the water that comes out. That goes inside. Attached. Okay, also they come with a little chair. Now that little chair was not gonna do for me, but I didn't get one with a chair because I figured I just use my own. But they do have an option where you can get one with a chair that comes with it. Okay, so let me show y'all the steam that comes out once it's and it you know what, it starts up real fast. It's not like, give it like a good 10 minutes. Look, I got my chair inside, baby. And I'll tell you, it gets hot. So there's levels on it, and you know, it's real dope. Also, if you wanted to put some, you know, some people can put peppermint or spearmint balls and stuff like that. You can. You can put them inside the white little thing that I showed, the one that catch the water. Put it in there. And here you go. I'll take my facial rollers. I'll do my eyes, or I'll read.